How to find old Instagram account names. If any day you're an Instagram user and you have changed your Instagram account name time to time, and any day you would like to see your old Instagram account name but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find your Instagram application on your mobile device, and after you find that, you have to tap on that. Now you have to go to your profile like icon on the downside, and after you tap on the profile like icon on the downside, now you can see the interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of the three lines on the top and then go to the option of your activity. Now after you tap on the option of the your activity, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the next option, that is account history. After tapping on account history, now you can see an interface like this. Now what you can do is you can go to the option of name from here, and after you tap on name from here, and when you tap on the option of personal information settings, you can see the various kind of name that has been changed. Otherwise what you can do is you can go to the option of the earlier here and then go to the option of username there. After tapping on username, now you can see in which you have changed your username to. For example, here it has been shown you changed your username to Rakshawasti20 in 1 year ago. So this way you can see the various kind of old names that you have kept. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.